Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best brad nailers that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Makita AF505N 2-inch brad nailer. If you want a cordless, lightweight, and highly functional brad nailer, Makita AF505N is an ideal choice. This tool has a narrow nose design, which allows easy nailing access in confined areas. What's more, it has a quick-release tool-free cam lock, which opens the nail guide assembly, enabling you to clear the jammed nails easily. Using this tool is very simple, and it is perfect to use in a wide variety of finish applications. The bumpers and non-marring rubber nose usually protect the surface of the wood from being damaged or scratched. Other than that, the tool hook can be rotated 180 degrees so that it can remain close by the machine nosepiece and cast permit precise contact. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Ryobi ZRP320 cordless 18 volts lithium-ion battery 2-in brad nailer. This product comes in a compact and cordless design, allowing you to easily and conveniently transport it from one place to another. It is pretty easy to use and features an ergonomic grip that prevents slippage while adding more handling comfort. In addition to that, 18V lithium-ion battery powers this unit and stays for long before recharging it. This nailer delivers not only consistent driving depth but also accurate and precise results. With its tool-free jam release mechanism, you will be able to clear the stacked nails in the case when the nailer jams. Besides that, this highly rated brad nailer has depth adjustment to allow precise nailing. You can buy this decent product with much confidence. At number 3, we have the Bostitch N66C Coil siding nailer. Are you looking for a robust brad nail that requires less or no maintenance and is easy to use? Bostitch N66C siding nailer has 300 magazine capacity, and its motor is durable and maintenance-free. The tool is made of lightweight aluminum materials for added durability, and it has a fastener diameter of 0.092 inches. Furthermore, it drives plastic-inserted coil nails and wire weld nails onto hard or softwood. This tool has a soft rubber foot that usually prevents softer wood damage. Other than that, it has an adjustable exhaust that directs the exhaust away for a clean finish. Finally, this brad nailer offers maximum efficiency when working, and you will compete for your task in a short time. At number 2, we have the Makita XNB01Z cordless 18 volts lithium-ion 2 inches brad nailer. This is another exceptional brad nailer you can consider purchasing. It is extremely durable, and it can last you many years to come. It drives a range of 18-gauge brad nails that ranges from 5/8 of an inch to 2 inches, and it has 110 nails magazine capacity. This tool has a 2-mode selector where you can choose between contact and sequential nailing operation. This product is lightweight and only weighs 7.7 pounds. This brad nailer has easy-to-use depth adjustment that is a tool less for a wide variety of applications. Other than that, the anti-dry drive mechanism is made to prevent damage to the work surface and driving blanks. This unit has a battery gauge that shows the battery charger level. The built-in LED light will illuminate your work area. Thus, you can use it even in a low-lit area. Finally, this device drives around 1,660 nails per a single charge. And finally, at number 1, we have the PORTERCABLE PCC790LA 20 volts 1/8 GA cordless brad nailer kit. If you want a multifunctional tool for home tasks and other DIY carpentry tasks, you can consider buying this cordless brad nailer kit by PORTERCABLE. The tool has a depth adjustment wheel that enables you to countersink nails consistently correctly. In addition to that, this brad nailer is powered by 20-volt 1.5 Ah max lithium-ion battery that allows you to sink hundreds of nails per single charge. This well-balanced and lightweight nailer is very easy to use and works well with 18-gauge nails. It is a battery-operated brad nailer, thus eliminating the need for expensive gas cartridges, hose or compressor. In case of any faulty workmanship or materials, the manufacturer offers 3 years of warranty from the purchase date. Thanks you for watching guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.